So, papunta na po tayo sa exciting part and I'm sure lahat tayo, ito yung pinaka-exciting part wherein malalaman natin how much profit we can earn if we start our own coffee shop business. And specifically, kapag nag-franchise kayo with coffee spot, kung magkano yung profit na pwede nyong kitain per coffee. So, as you can see here, sa single shot espresso, ang profit margin mo ay nasa 87%. Meaning to say, sa cost per serving na 8 pesos and 77 cents, meron kang kikitain na profit margin na 87%. Okay? So, sa coffee spot, ang price po natin nito, ang suggested retail price nito ay 65 pesos. So, ang profit mo dito since 87% is 56 pesos and 23 cents. Now, there's a 12% VAT, so deduct natin yan sa 56 pesos and 23 cents na profit margin mo, you will get a net profit after tax na 48 pesos and 43 cents. So imagine, sa isang single shot espresso pa lang, kikita ka na ng 48 pesos and 43 cents. So, ganun din po sa double shot espresso, pero ang profit margin dito ay 77%. So, ang net profit after tax ay nasa 48 pesos and 46 cents. Sa cafe latte naman, ang profit margin ay 70%. So, ang net profit after tax ay nasa 46 pesos and 3 cents. Pag sa mga frap naman, you can get a profit up to 48%. So, ang net profit after tax mo pa rin ay aabot ng 47 pesos and 4 cents. So, now that you have an idea with our coffee spot costing, alam mo na yung profit margin mo at yung possible net profit mo after tax. Let's proceed in our sample projected profit. Now, let's take a look at the sample projected profit income and, of course, the return on your investment. Okay, so let's first discuss yung total cash layout or yung total capital expense sa pagpapatayo mo ng coffee spot franchise business mo. Okay? So, ang franchise fee regular package natin is 650,000 pesos as I have shown to you earlier. And then, outsourced equipments could be up to 100,000 pesos. Initial inventory, including milk tea, could be up to 110,000 pesos. And then advance and deposit payment for rental spaces sa mga magre-rent po ito ng spaces for their coffee spot franchise. Now, if you have your own space, then definitely you're not gonna be paying for any rental deposit kasi sarili mo na yung space, okay? So, the 60,000 pesos includes 2-month security deposit and 1-month advance plus the utility deposit. Now, this will depend on the rental space kasi kung much bigger ang space na uupahan mo for your coffee shop, then mas malaki yung rental deposit or yung monthly rental na babayaran mo. So, it would really depend kung ano yung rental space na makukuha mo, okay? And then for the permits, that's 20,000 pesos. So, for the other expenses like miscellaneous, like leasehold improvements, kung may mga furniture, fixtures, or working drawings or aircon na kailangan kapag ilagay doon, that would amount to 480,000 pesos. And the total cash layout or the total capital expense could reach up to 1,470,000 pesos. Again, this is an example. So, marami pong pwedeng maka-apekto na pwedeng mabago to. Pwedeng it could amount to 1.8 million or to 2 million kasi depende nga sa rental space and then yung mga leasehold improvements na kailangan mo pang gawin kasi pwedeng yung mauupahan mo ay marami pang mga kailangan ayusin doon and depende sa mga furnitures and fixtures na gusto mo pang ilagay doon. So, this is just to give you an idea kung magkano yung pwedeng abutin ng iyong total capital expense sa pagpuput up ng coffee spot franchise. Now, let's take a look at the projected sales. So, we have an example for low sales, medium sales, and high sales. So, depende kasi sa araw, di ba? Pwedeng meron kang mababang benta, merong average, meron namang sobrang taas na benta. So, sa low, pwede kang kumita ng 7,000 pesos in a day. Sa middle or average naman, 8,500 pesos. At sa high sales naman, 10,000 pesos in a day. And if your days of operation is 30 days, so you will get a monthly gross sales kapag low, you can get up to 210,000 pesos. Pag sa average, 255,000 pesos. And then pag sa high, 300,000 pesos. So sa cost of goods sold naman, we put it at 54%. Conservatively, kasi in accounting, alam nyo naman yan, kailangan conservative ang approach natin. So, sa low, it's 113,400 pesos. Sa average naman, it's 137,700 pesos. At sa high, it's 162,000 pesos. Now, yung gross profit natin, syempre mag-iiba. And then yung operational expenses natin, mag-iiba din. So now, after natin i-deduct yung cost of goods sold sa ating monthly gross sales, we will have the gross profit. And then after we get the gross profit, syempre i-deduct natin yung operational expenses natin. So as you can see here, iba-iba po yung operational expenses natin sa low, sa medium sales, sa high sales. Okay? Pero lahat po yan i-deduct natin sa ating gross profit. Okay? And then, makukuha natin yung net profit natin. So, nakikita nyo po yung net profit ng low sales, nasa 18,400 pesos. And then, sa medium sales naman, nasa 35,950 pesos. And then, sa high sales, nasa 53,500 pesos. Okay, so kung ang total cash layout or ang total capital expense na nilabas natin ay nasa 1,470,000 pesos. Yung ROI po natin, okay, pag low sales mo, like consistent, sige, sabihin na natin talagang nasa low sales ang coffee shop mo consistently, then in 80 months, dun mo mababawi ang iyong 1,470,000 pesos. And then pag medium sales naman, okay, sa 40.89 months or 41 months, mababawi mo ang iyong 1,470,000 pesos. And pag high ang sales mo, like every day, nasa 10,000 ang pumapasok na sales sa'yo sa iyong coffee shop, then in 27.48 months, mababawi mo ang iyong 1,470,000 pesos. So, ang net income mo in 5 years sa low sales, that's 1,104,000 pesos. Conservatively lang po ito tong low sales na to, okay? And then, in average or sa middle sales naman, that's 2,157,000 pesos. And kapag high ang sales, ang net income in 5 years, aabot ang 3,210,000 pesos. So this is just a sample projected profit analysis that we're showing you in a conservative approach. So we wanted to show you the low sales, the medium sales, and the high sales para mas magkaroon kayo ng idea at mas malaking grasp sa kung magkano yung pwede mong kitain sa iyong coffee shop business.